So hello guys, good evening from Gangtok. Finally we reached here in Gangtok and now we are heading towards the Ropeway. We'll be having the experience of riding in the Ropeway. Everyone is very excited. Khot jai ase
আমি এতিয়া Ropeway যাম 200 মিটাৰ মান আছে আৰু 200 মিটাৰ মান আছে আহক গাইস
So it is still 200 meters away from this place. We are just walking just after that M.G Marg. Through M.G Marg you have to come and it is 200 meters away again. So guys, this is the starting point. You have to book the ticket from here and you will get the ride from here and it will pass through that M.G Marg. It's like it will go like this. You can see whole you can see whole the city of Gangtok. So I will show you all the view from the Ropeway, how it is. See the timings here. It is from 9:30 to 6 p.m. Chalo. You can see whole Gangtok from here, and this is the Ropeway. After you climb the Ropeway, you will be able to see all the view from the Ropeway. I think Darjeeling is also visible from this place, and the ticket for the adult person is 130 rupees, but for younger person it is lesser than the other. So after we board the Ropeway, I'll show you everything. Okay.
अंधेरा कायम रहे
So guys, you can board the Ropeway from here. This is the main point. From here you have to climb the Ropeway, and through that way you can go. So guys, now we can board this Ropeway. Now it is our turn.
jangan lah skip jenglet bisa view lagi ya.
Iya, मोजां नुवा सिंनिफ्राय आरो
Skip jenglet deh gitu.
Atuh
Dilihat jaga selalu nemu. Kalau lari jauh.
So guys, after having the experience of Ropeway, and now we came to M.G Marg. You can see the view of the M.G Marg during the daytime, and we also will be coming by during the night time, and we will show you the difference between night and evening view of this M.G Marg. So you guys can see the view, how it looks, and they have decorated all this to celebrate Independence Day on 15 August.
Kamu na yếu là không đủ bằng thành là không
So guys, we came to one of the Naga restaurant in M.G Marg, and you can see here, this is the view of the restaurant. How is the
The owner
taste?
is Naga or what? The owner? Actually, two partnership.
So this is the night view of M.G Marg. So guys, we finally came back from M.G Marg, and we'll take a rest. I mean, we'll sleep right now. And so if you are watching and new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment whatever you feel like about the video. And I will end the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, and see you in the next vlog.